goddamn fish.
Is that on the little?
No, it's on the big thing.
Oh, I got a Bonito then.
Yeah. Good, I'm gonna go.
Let's go. I got it.
That's Tim's. Come on.
Oh, it's a dogtooth.
That's definitely good. That's definitely good. Yeah.
Can you move that rod for me? Can you move this rod?
That's definitely good. That's cool.
Well, it's on a lure, which is in a Bonito, which it took the Bonito. Yeah, I don't know where it was.
Is that a bumper?
No, it was a stick bait. I think so. Someone's took it. Move the boat forward. Okay, it's alright, it's okay, it's okay.
Good? Go back forward.
Backwards. Got speed, man.
Don't call me.
Yeah, man, that's,
We're gonna lose it. No. Keep going, keep going!
Keep going backwards! Backwards! Keep on going backwards, we have too much line out there. When I got the leader, one of you guys could pass me this one also after.
yeah.
Thank you very much. Turn the boat a little bit to the right again, please, Rashid. Okay, forward a little bit.
Santika power, mate.
Yeah, I'll tell you what, the line was nearly gone. If we not had reversed, it'd have been gone.
Sorry?
If we'd not reversed on it, it would have been buffed.
Right, Rashid. The fish is going fully on the right. Forward a little bit, Rashid, please. Almost there, Alan. Okay, all good, stop.
Get
Nice.
in there.
Nice.
Now you have to bring the leader to me quick as
Yeah, I'm going to
possible.
try.
Give everything you got.
I am giving it.
Tie now. it up a bit.
Hey?
You need to tie it up.
No, no, you're right. Let me just...
Come on, quick.
I don't care what it is, that's my doggy.
Tip of the mouse, bottom.
Yeah. 150?
150, yeah.
Yeah! Not bad, it's good.
It's gonna be shitty.
Yeah, that's okay.